Hello, sir.
Hi, Vidushi.
Hi. So, can you just tell me a brief about the company?
All right. We are from ASMPT. We started our business in 1975. So this year is our 50th anniversary.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We are a total solution provider for semiconductors as well as SMT manufacturing. So we are active, in the business of back-end semiconductor packaging. We supply solutions like metallization, laser dicing, back-end die attach, wire bond, as well as into the AI business, for example, like for thermal convection bonding, hybrid bonding. Yeah, we are also active in the areas of SMT, where we
Okay.
do semiconductor technology, and we also supply software solutions such as MES for factory automation. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Can you tell me about something about SMT?
Something about SMT.
Yes.
Right. So SMT uh, is what do you want to know about SMT? SMT is about if you take your phone, for example, if you break it apart, you will see a green color PCB board inside, and you will see many components being mounted on the PCB board. So SMT, surface mount technology, is where we place these little components onto the board itself. So we supply the equipment that do what we call component mounting onto the PCB board, right? And our business, as I mentioned, also includes semiconductor packaging. So we also package those components that's being mounted onto the board itself. Right.
Got it, sir. So, what is the applications of the company? Like, where are the components being used?
All right. So as you can see from my back wall here, we are active in the areas of AI, smart mobility, and hyperconnectivity. As you
Okay.
know, in the today, what is the most rampant that you use almost every day? AI, right? Everybody's using ChatGPT and so on. So when you want to use AI, you need to transmit the data from where you are, from your phone to the servers, and then they do the calculation in the server farm, in the data center, and then deliver the answer back to you. So uh, in this communication, in this transmission, what we call the hyperconnectivity, we have solutions that provide uh, equipment solutions that provide packaging to, for example, CPO, where we transmit, we make the equipment, sorry, components that helps to transmit the data from your phone to the data center. We as well as provide the solutions that makes the AI chips that's running in the data center as well. So that's how we play in the area of AI. And nowadays we have smart vehicles. That's what we call smart mobility, EVs, and EVs are now smart, where
Yes.
they can navigate by themselves, right? They know where the road is, where to turn, where not to turn. So we have sensors, a lot of sensors, as well as is some data crunching behind to guide the car. And so we provide those solutions that make those electronic components that allow the car to do this as well. Yeah.
Got it, sir. And can you tell me something about the Indian market and any challenges that you face with the Indian market?
Right. I think right now at the present moment, we are at a very opportune time where the semiconductor business is booming, and
Yes.
we can see that there's a lot of support coming from the Indian government
Yes.
to grow this business here in India, and that's why we are very keen to participate and collaborate with the manufacturers in India
Yeah.
to grow the business together.
Yeah.
We supply our expertise and our equipment, and then we develop the necessary ecosystem in India to grow this semiconductor business.
Got it, sir. And like, sorry. So, do you also take any sustainability steps for India?
Yes, for ASMPT, ESG is one of our main strategic direction as well. We are very aware of to be a responsible corporate citizen. Uh, Nowadays, we know that there's a lot of environmental issues to take care of, And so we are now part of the Semiconductor Climate Consortium, one of the founding members. And so we are setting the direction for the semiconductor industry as a whole in terms of the environmental issues and how semiconductor companies and industries can help in the sustainability issues in our production, in our manufacturing as well. So right now, we have a target for Scope 1 and Scope 2 in terms of sustainability. And now we are working towards our Scope 3 target at the present.
Got it, sir. And also, do you plan to partnership with any Indian firms, India semiconductor companies?
Yes, we are working very closely with key customers in India to work together to develop the semiconductor industry. Recently, we signed, for example, an MOU with the government of Assam to develop,
God,
yes,
okay.
to develop the semiconductor ecosystem in Assam region itself. I think one of the main key contributor in that area is Tata. So that's where we are also working very closely with them. Yeah, in this area. Yeah.
Got it, sir. So that was all that I had to ask about. Just one more question.
Sure.
You said that your components are used in electric vehicles also.
Yes.
So how do you plan, like, is there any new technology that is going to come from your end, or how are you going to plan it for India?
Um, we are a global company, so on a global basis, we look at the trends that's going forward, and we are trying to develop solutions that can meet the market generally as a whole. Yeah. For example, of course, if you talk about smart vehicles, um, we have the power management system inside, right? So right now, there's new materials being used to develop the power management system. So we also develop solutions that will harness these new materials. Also, as I mentioned, there's a lot of sensors in terms of, like, for example, ADAS or LiDAR system that enable the vehicles in smart mobility to navigate the streets. And so we also develop solutions that make the vehicles smarter in terms of the sensor technology and all that, so that we are driving towards the full autonomy of the smart vehicle. But right now, at the present moment, as the vehicle needs to connect and talk to what we call V2X, vehicle to anything communication, right? So we are also looking at that area so that sensor systems, RF radio frequency modules, right now in the car as well. And so finally, at the end, I believe one day the car can really think for itself and drive for itself. And finally, at the end, it needs to communicate with the data centers or the data farm at the back. And right now, the AI chips that needs to do this thinking and processing is getting more and more powerful.
Yes.
And that's why we are developing technology like, for example, thermal compression bonding and hybrid bonding to further develop the development and the growth of the AI chips in the round.
And just one last thing, any message that you have for the Indian audience?
All right. So I would like to encourage our Indian friends that ASMPT is a full-fledged end-to-end solution provider. If you have any questions, or if you have any challenges in terms of semiconductor manufacturing or SMT manufacturing, please look for us. I believe that we can come together and provide a satisfactory solution for all of us to develop together in this industry in India.
Gorgeous,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you so much.